Hello guys. Hello guys. So I started ahead of you. Sorry. Anyways, I decided to make a puppy cute makeup. I just used my black Crayolas and I just, this part, I just colored it right here. And I made my eyebrows a little bit darker. Alright. Okay, so I'm just... So, see my little tail? I need to make my tail over. Okay, so... So, if... Oh, man. Oh, no. Hey, I'm a dog. I need to eat cat meat. Dog head. Let me try to find my cat meat. Yeah. Mm. Okay. There. So I learned other dog qualities like when they shake their little tail. You see my little ears? So now I'm gonna do a scary dog thing. And I'm trying to fill in my backbone. I ate a cat. I'm fixing a new one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're wondering who I am, I'm Chica. Now it's time to take a selfie. Now please like and subscribe. And also comment down below where are you going to be for Halloween. Because I do not know and maybe you could give me ideas. Burst into, can't say it. Burst into flames. Bye. I'm taking out my feathers. And please comment down below on what else Halloween things you want to be. I promise you to be a cat. Meow, I'll be stealing all your boyfriends. So watch out for me. Ruff! You better watch. Cats are cats and dogs are dogs. As dogs are rough. Cats are sensitive. Don't pull my hair. Ow! You pulled my hair. Comment down below if you think you're a dog or a cat. Sensitive or rough. Huh, that's funny. Well, bye. I ate your cat for dinner. No. This is your cat, sweet. Yummy.